Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, let me thanks to all of you for coming in my presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kristiadi. I'm studying English department in University of Bengkulu City. Today, I'm going to talk about e-sport. This topic relevant for us for additional knowledge as we non-fans with e-sport. I've divided my presentation into three parts. First is what are e-sport? Secondly, why people watch e-sport? And the last is how do teams e-sport make money? My presentation will take about 5 minutes until 10 minutes. I can email the PowerPoint presentation to anybody who wants it. Okay, don't worry. There will be time for questions after my presentation exactly.